Hey guys, this is Dr. Coker from the Vision Center at Seaside Farms. We just got some new frames in and we just got a few of our favorites sitting out here, and I'm going to unbox another box that we just got out. If you guys want to take a look with me, I'm super excited about them. They're handmade in Brooklyn, so from America, which we all love. So let's take a look at some of them. Ooh, look at this maroon color. It's so pretty. Got a little cat eye. Kind of cute. Let's see what they look like on. Looking funky. We love it. I know we've got some funky patients out there that love this kind of thing. You can see some of our favorites we already have sitting out here. Got more of a clear crystal. Got a little bit of a rose tint to it. Let's see how this one looks. Larger frame for those larger faces. You know, we've got all different shapes. Really like those too. Ooh, look at this cool shape. Love that pattern too. We got some blues in there. It's kind of like a nice neutral with a little pop of some blues and a straight top, rounded at the bottom, so it's a little bit different than some of our regular round frames. A little bit chunkier, so it's really going to be a standout frame for you, which I love. Very cool. Ooh, some yellow. We got some suns too, not just optical frames, but also some sunglasses. If you don't have this on the beach and on your boat, what are you doing? I mean, come on, look at this. You need it. So come over here and take a look at some of these that we already have sitting out. If you haven't already come by, take a look and we'll get you taken care of, and our opticians will help you with everything.